Yo, what's up travelers? Welcome to 2 Minute Thursday, where we are featuring raw ASF in this video. I have here my raw ASF, my acai. You got the
avocado truffle burger with a impossible patty and bacon, not bacon.
bacon but not bacon.
I got the dragon fruit sorbet bowl, also known here as the dragon bowl.
The sunset, right? Sunset, which comes with strawberry, mangoes, coconut flake, banana, some nuts, and the acai in the bottom. And what's in your burger?
What's
You
in your
already said
wallet?
it.
Well, I got lettuce. I think it's their house green sauce. I don't know what that is. There's definitely truffle in here too. Look at that green juiciness. Ooh.
Oh, there you go. Gonna give it a little dig in. All that mango with coconut flakes.
There's some granola here too.
Oh yeah, the granola. It's like 80 degrees almost out here. Super refreshing right now.
It's impossible that this is not meat, and the bacon tastes just like bacon. I
But
had
it's not.
bacon this morning.
Almost like you're just eating a regular burger, right?
Exactly like one.
The owner, Juan and Catherine, they're really nice people. There's a real life story behind why they decided to go plant-based and start bringing making healthy food sexy again. If you guys are really into a new healthy plant-based diet or overall eating healthy and still don't want to get rid of the old habits of, burgers and pizza and whatnot, they've got really clean food. Raw ASS stands for raw and superfoods, not what you thought.
Oh,
Really?
I never knew that.
Really? Yeah, raw and superfoods.
Even though it says it.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it is a play on.
Definitely caught my attention on that part.
The magic matcha lavender latte with oat milk, and it is amazing. It's so sweet.